evergreen forests. Regions that get very high rainfall and also have a very warm climate, such as equatorial regions, have evergreen forests. These are dense forests with a very large variety of trees, plants, and creepers, etc. These forests are always green, while one kind of tree shades its leaves, another tree remains green. This is because they get moisture to grow constantly. Jamun, canes, bamboos, cardam, etc. are some characteristic trees of these regions. There are different kinds of evergreen forests in the Himalayas, like pine forests, which remain green throughout the year. They have leaves that are very thin and in the shape of needles. These trees don't bear flowers but produce cones and hence are called coniferous trees. These trees grow in areas with snowfall. Hence, these trees have needle-like leaves which do not allow the snow to rest on them. Distribution. These forests are found on the western coast, Assam, and the lower slopes of the eastern Himalayas, Orissa, and Andaman. Deciduous forests. These grow in regions where it rains in only some months and is warm and dry during most of the year. The trees shed their leaves during very dry months. Water evaporates to the leaves and the trees try to conserve moisture by getting rid of the leaves during the dry months. New leaves come with the onset of the rain so that the trees can produce food for themselves. Distribution. Telangana has two kinds of deciduous forests which receive more rain and which receive less rain. The deciduous forests which receive more rain have the following kind of trees: Vegi, Aegisa, Madhi or Arjuna, Bandharu and Geetagi. Such forests are found in Srikakulam and Vishakhapatnam districts. And East Godavari agency areas. In areas with less rainfall, we have trees like Madhi, Teak, Vilaga, Aegis, Yapi, Chiguru, Billu, Neem, Derisena, Buruga and Muduga. Such forests are more widespread in our state and can be found in YSR Kadapa, and Kurnool districts. Thorny forests. These grow in very dry areas with little rainfall and high temperatures. Most of the trees are thorny. The common trees are bubble or tuma, balusu, regu, sandal, neem, etc. They are located in YSR Kadapa, Chittoor, Anantapur and Nalgonda districts. These are the districts with very little rainfall nearing desert conditions. Thorny trees have very tiny leaves and thorns which help to conserve water. The forests are also not dense and have open space and more undergrowth with fewer trees. Littoral or sea coast. And swamp forests. These grow mostly on the sea coast, on the sandy beach and marshy lands and lands affected by tidal waves. Here, the trees are adapted to salt waters and the flow of tidal waves. These are also called mangrove forests. Mangroves are a group of trees and shrubs that live in the coastal intertidal zone. ఉప్పు పొన్న, బొడ్డు పొన్న, ఉరడ, మాడ, తెల్లమాడ, గుండుమాడ, కడిలి and bella are some of the typical vegetation of this region. Distribution. These are found in Sundarban Delta, eastern coastal plain of river Godavari, Krishna, Kaveri, Mahanadi, desert region of Rajasthan and Gujarat, Kashmir and Ladakh, Andaman and Nicobar Islands, Lakshadweep Islands, western coastal plains of Malabar coast to Konkan coast. In India, mangroves are found on the east and west coast of the mainland and the islands of Andaman and Nicobar, and Lakshadweep. Status of forest in Andhra Pradesh and Telangana. You read about some of the important kinds of forest. But how large are our forests? Are they increasing or decreasing? Let us find out. In Andhra Pradesh, about 64,000 square kilometers of the state are declared as forest by the government, whereas in Telangana, about 26,904 square kilometers of the region have been declared as forest by the government. In Andhra Pradesh, this is about 23% of all land in the state, whereas in Telangana, this is about 24% of all land in the region. This means that about 7% of our forest lands are open grounds with very few trees. Even this forest cover is dwindling due to felling, encroachment, mining, etc. Every year, about 100 square kilometers of forests are lost in Andhra Pradesh. whereas every year about 30 square kilometers of forests are lost in Telangana state. Initiation for greenery in Telangana. Due to this, Telangana government initiated a massive plantation program in 2015 with the aim to increase the forest cover. As a part of the program, the saplings are being planted near the open space in the habitations of the people on both sides of the roads, on all tank bunds, and in all public places like schools, colleges, universities, hospitals, and in the premises of the offices. It includes the conservation of natural resources, prevention of pollution, and sustainable use of land.